Hello again. I'm Jennifer, founder of the Jennifer Maker DIY and Craft blog and the creator of the List Love formula. In this video, I'm going to talk about what I think is the best list building technique. Are you ready? Okay, so the technique that I think can build your mailing list the fastest, especially if you are a new or newish blogger, is to use freebies. Freebies are anything with value that you give away to your readers. Of course, it's not so simple as just making some cool stuff and slapping it up on your blog, now is it? There's tricks to doing it right so that you can convert as many of your visitors to subscribers as possible. I actually take the best of a various number of other list building techniques, including social influence, exclusive content, and using unusual places, and combine it all together with freebies to create my own special list building formula. For example, before I knew better, I'd been giving away a valuable freebie on my blog for nothing, just because I really like to be helpful, right? And then I realized that it was okay to ask my readers for their email address in exchange for my valuable content, and my world changed. My blog world changed. Well, really, my world changed too, because I quickly realized the power I had to grow my mailing list by giving people what they loved. I researched and tested and refined my technique until I grew to 10,000 subscribers in just 6 months. I developed a formula that worked like gangbusters, and now I reap the reward by connecting with my readers, driving traffic to my site, and earning a full-time income. All because of figuring out that formula and applying it to build my mailing list. Now I am ready and excited to share that formula with my blogger friends too. So I made a course. It's called List Love List Building for Bloggers Master Course, and it can help you build your mailing list so that you can catapult your blog to success, connect better with your readers, and earn an income from your blog. I created the List Love Master Course because my fellow bloggers asked me to share my secrets to how I managed to grow my mailing list so fast, so big and so fast. So let me tell you more about me, my blog, and my list. I started my blog in October 2016. I was at a crossroads in my career and it was time to try something new. And not only that, but I had a serious need to generate more income for my family. So I set out to blog my heart out. A couple of months in, and I just wasn't seeing the growth that I wanted. So I began to research how to blog. I was fortunate to learn about the need for a mailing list soon after this, and I began list building in earnest in January 2017. In 6 months, I'd amassed over 10,000 subscribers. I thought this was pretty good, and I was pleased with it, but I didn't think much about it other than that, because remember, I was a new blogger, and until one day, I was chatting with some other blogger friends in a Facebook group. They were lamenting over how hard it was to build a mailing list, and they were looking for tips. So I enthusiastically and naively, I think, chimed in to say that things were going great for me, and I shared my subscriber numbers. The response to my innocent statement was huge, and all of my blogger friends wanted to know how I was doing this. And this is when I discovered that I was a list building freak, and I set out to help my friends become lovely little freaks like me. List Love was born a week later. Now, having a huge subscriber list is great, but early on, it just seemed like a vanity metric. I didn't yet understand the raw potential of a blog's mailing list, but I would soon. A few weeks after I began teaching my friends how to build their lists, I went to a blogging conference, and I came home all pumped up to make my first product. I launched an SVG design course for crafters so that they can cut things on their cutting machines. To my list of about 13,000, and only to my list. I told no one else about it. I didn't breathe a word about it on social media or my blog. Why? Well, honestly, I was feeling a little shy about it. It was my first one, but I was also curious. What would happen if I told my mailing list but no one else? It would be a great test of the so-called power of a mailing list, wouldn't it? I would know how well it did if it failed. I could always relaunch and add in the other outlets of communication later if I needed to. That was my thinking. So what happened when I told my mailing list about my new product, the Crafter's Design course? They responded in droves, guys, and I earned more than $12,000 from the sales of that course. Just that month, it was like in a few days. I was blown away. Since then, my mailing list has continued to grow. I was at 20,000 by the end of that first year, and my income along with it. I attribute over 24,000 that I made in 2017 to the power of my blog. I made money in affiliate sales, product sales, and even advertising revenue because now every time I email my readers, they swell my blog traffic for several days. And that's what I want for you too. Imagine how it will feel to finally connect with your readers and drive traffic to your blog. Imagine being able to earn the income that you think you deserve. Imagine being connected to others who are on the same path and the same journey as you, all committed to building their lists, their audiences, and their income. So if you're a blogger, but you aren't getting as many subscribers as on your list as you'd like, or if you're not sure how best to nurture them after they've subscribed and keep them, right? Or you just aren't sure where to get started with list building at all, the List Love Master Course can help. So, what exactly is the List Love Master Course? That's a good question. So, the List Love Master Course is for bloggers at any stage, from new to experienced. It teaches you how to transform your blog into a list building machine that will continuously drive readers to become subscribers on your mailing list. This comprehensive course is divided into 9 distinct steps that represent each step of the List Love formula, leading you from start to finish. It includes nearly 2 hours of professional video with transcripts, over 60 lessons, 10 assignments, and a private mastermind group. And there's bonus ways to monetize your mailing list through things like tripwires and product launches. So you should also know that the List Love Master Course comes with a 100% money back guarantee. I want you to feel confident in your decision, and that's why I invite you to test drive the program 100% risk-free. If you give it a genuine go and you don't feel like I delivered on my promise, ask for a refund. No questions asked.